Hi, this message is for you. We have the Seven of Pentacles, which means you are waiting for something to flourish, something you've been putting your energy into has not quite come to fruition yet. You're still waiting for its fruits, followed by death. Death means change is coming, so what you've been waiting for very likely is going to manifest. But for some of you, it could also mean that it's a dead end, but you are waiting longer than you actually need to. Maybe it is time to let go. With the earth energy here, you seem overly attached to the outcome of the situation, which isn't very healthy. Death asks you to let go because good and positive changes are coming your way. We also have new directions, which goes along very well with the death card. It basically amplifies the message that this card was trying to give us. Maybe this really isn't the right way to go. There is a new direction, new changes coming your way. You may want to invest your energy in that. I'd also like to point out that because of your inability to let go of projects and situations that you may have been working on that are not bearing fruit yet, you are not seeing the transformation that's waiting to happen. You have slowed down the process. So use this time to work on letting go, moving towards a new direction, because that will bring you great results. In the new directions card, if you see, a man is leaving and the people over here are wishing him well. It is necessary for endings to take place so that you can gain perspective for newer things. Of course, it does take courage to let go of old situations, habits, patterns, and behaviors, but your boldness will help you fly towards a better dream, a better place, and even a better you. The next card we have is Unbound, releasing soul patterns, contracts, and past lives. Basically, this again amplifies the message of these two cards that you do need to release old stories because they have been repetitively playing out with no new outcome. So, consider this as an indication that it is a safe time to let go. Take a look at all these old patterns that you need to release. Things do have an expiry date, and now is your time to admit that this is it. Maybe it's not even something that's toxic, but right now it's not in alignment with your soul's purpose and what you need to be doing. So the best thing right now is to let go, and honestly it won't be that difficult because you do have the support that you need during this time from loved ones, from superiors, someone you look up to, your mentors. Ask for help and you will receive it. We also have two goddess cards. The first one being Goddess Setna, infinite supply. You are supplied for today and all of your tomorrows. This gives you the much needed assurance that when you do choose a new path, you will be taken care of. Goddess Setna is with you. You do not need to worry about the future. Know that you'll always have enough and your needs will be provided for. So make sure that you do take this leap of faith because it will only serve you in the long run. The second message we have is to create a sacred space, create an altar, or visit a power place to connect with the divine. Now, your sacred space is not only at an exterior place that you can visit, but it is also within you. So make sure your thoughts are clear, you are well intentioned and working towards what you want. Or if that isn't enough, you can also create an altar, visit a holy place. Just make sure that you're connecting with the right energy. Make sure you're praying, make sure you're working on your manifestations, make sure you're working on your affirmations. Right now is a great time to explore your spirituality It does not matter whether you are connecting by going to a religious place or indulging in a certain spiritual practice, but it is just important that you remain frequent with it. Another message that's coming through is with the death card. Scorpio represents the death card in tarot, and with Venus currently transiting Scorpio, we do have some unhealthy attachments that we are seeing deep intensity, but this transit will bring about some much necessary separations. So it may be a difficult time, but rest assured everything will get better. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.